If you use Evernote to keep your notes, projects, or research organized, learning how to create a stack is a simple way to make your workspace much cleaner and easier to navigate. A stack lets you group related notebooks together so everything stays organized under one main category. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a stack in Evernote, step by step, using 2 easy methods. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote desktop app and head over to your notebooks. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Notebooks. This will show you all of the notebooks you currently have in your Evernote account. If you already have a few notebooks related to the same topic, like work, school, travel, or personal planning, this is where you can start organizing them into a stack. Now, let's talk about the fastest method first, which is the drag and drop method. If you already have a stack created and you just want to add another notebook into it, this is the quickest option. Click and hold the notebook you want to move, then drag it directly on top of the stack or onto another notebook you want to group with it. Once you drop it in place, Evernote will place that notebook inside the stack. After that, you can click the small arrow next to the stack name to expand it and see all the notebooks inside. This makes it really easy to keep related notebooks grouped together without digging through a long list. If you want to create a brand new stack, there's another method you can use, and this one is great if you prefer selecting everything from a menu. Go back to your notebooks list and find the first notebook you want to include in the new stack. Next to that notebook's title, click the 3 dots icon, which opens the More Actions menu. From the menu, choose Add to Stack. This will give you a few options, and at the bottom you should see New Stack. Click that option to begin creating your stack. Once the stack creation box appears, type in a name for your stack. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, like work projects, client notes, or personal ideas. A good stack name makes it much easier to stay organized later on, especially if you have a lot of notebooks. After typing the name, click Create. Evernote will immediately build the stack and place the selected notebook inside it. From there, you can keep adding more notebooks to the stack using the same Add to Stack option or by dragging and dropping notebooks into it. That way, you can build out your organization system as your notes grow. Stacks are especially useful if you want to separate different areas of your life or work while still keeping related notebooks together in one place. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know how to create a stack in Evernote, organizing your notebooks becomes much faster and more efficient. No more scrolling through a messy list of notebooks trying to find what you need. With stacks, your Evernote workspace stays neat, structured, and much easier to manage. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Evernote tutorials and other software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.